This week's historic series of storms led to the governor declaring a state of emergency. For PGE, the storms caused significant damage, impacting our ability to deliver power to you. We have more crews than ever before out in the field, working to restore power as quickly as safety allows. This set of storms has meant as they repair one area, another new area is impacted. As a result, repairs for all customers will take time, in some cases many days. As we work safely to repair damage that has caused power outages, we follow 7 steps to ensure we are intentional in prioritizing restoration. First, we focus on protecting public safety by responding to clear-downed power lines as quickly as possible. We also prioritize places like hospitals, clinics, and public utilities such as water, sewer, and telephone to make sure these important services have the power needed to serve you. Next, we check the source of our power, our generation facilities. Since these provide power to hundreds of thousands of customers, we need to make sure they haven't been damaged by the storms. The generation facilities send power through transmission lines. It's like a superhighway, moving electricity from generating plants to the substations. Thousands and sometimes hundreds of thousands of customers are connected to power through one transmission line, so we start working on these right away. As those transmission lines connect to the substations, we make sure that these hubs can distribute the power to homes and businesses. Distribution lines move power from those substation hubs to neighborhood networks that serve 1,000 to 3,000 customers. These are the lines that you most often hear about on the news as our crews work to repair storm damage. Finally, the distribution lines move power to neighborhood tap lines, which send power down individual streets. We work on these tap lines to restore power to up to 20 to 30 homes on one street. Once we've completed the first 6 steps, there may be a situation in which an individual home is still out of power. For these customers, the PGE crew visits the home to repair lines that connect to the home. If your home is in a remote area, it might be the last to be restored. Whether it's an historic storm that hits our area with days of ice, snow, and wind, or a smaller outage, we first ensure public safety. As we work our way down the line, making repairs, we prioritize the jobs that help the most people. Thank you for your patience while we move through these steps to safely restore power to everyone.